Namaste and welcome to our channel, Me and Books Club. Today, we are diving into the fascinating history of one of Asia's oldest stock exchanges, the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE. Let's explore its incredible journey through Samir Kochar's book, BSE, Journey of an Aspiring Nation. The story begins in 19th century Bombay, under the shade of a banyan tree. On 9 July 1875, a group of stockbrokers formed the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association, which later evolved into the BSE. This marked the beginning of a new era in India's financial history. Over the years, the BSE has undergone numerous changes and innovations, playing a crucial role in shaping India's capital markets. From its humble beginnings, it has grown into a beacon of India's financial markets, contributing significantly to the growth of Mumbai as a commercial hub. The journey of the BSE has been filled with triumphs and setbacks. The book vividly recounts periods of resilience, innovation, and missed opportunities. Despite the challenges, the BSE has remained a steadfast institution, adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. The BSE has been instrumental in raising capital for the Indian economy, supporting various commercial ventures and entrepreneurs. Its history is intertwined with India's broader economic narrative, highlighting the importance of financial institutions in national development. Samir Kochar's BSE, Journey of an Aspiring Nation, offers a compelling look into the history of Asia's first stock exchange and its impact on India's financial growth. It's a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the evolution of India's capital markets. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the BSE's remarkable history. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.